6 things that cause fluid retention and avoid them. In brief moments, a written explanation. Liquid retention is the consequence of the accumulation of water in the tissues of our body, which occurs when there is an imbalance between the forces that regulate the passage of liquids from one area to another. Our body, through a complex system of hormones, is constantly adjusting the levels of liquids so that they are maintained permanently. That is why, if you drink more water from the account, nothing happens, since it is eliminated by the kidneys in the form of urine or through the sweat glands. To avoid the retention of liquids, we will give you a total of 6 things that cause it, and of course you should avoid at all costs. Pay close attention as it is important to your health. Things that cause fluid retention. 1. Consume too much sodium. When too much sodium is consumed and enough water is not drunk, the body begins to use reserves, causing edema. 2. Eat many processed foods. These foods contain a large amount of sugar and sodium, which are considered a major cause of edema. 3. Dehydration. This is because you do not drink the amount of water the body needs, so it holds the water to survive and causes the body to ignite. 4. Vitamin B6 deficiency. Lack of vitamin B6 causes fluid retention. The best way to consume it is by eating foods rich in vitamin B6 such as tuna, sunflower seeds, pistachios, potatoes, chicken, dried fruits, bananas, etc. 5. Magnesium deficiency. This mineral is essential for the body to perform many functions. The correct dose of magnesium is 200 milliliters a day, which will help reduce fluid retention. The ideal is to consume foods rich in magnesium such as nuts, dried fruits, spinach, avocados, whole grains, etc. 6. Potassium deficiency. Potassium is indispensable for cells, tissues and organs to function properly. In addition, it also helps to regulate the water balance. Tips for fluid retention. Exercise is key, especially non-impact activities such as cycling or swimming, as well as those with moderate resistance and high repetitions, as it activates the circulation in the legs through the compression produced by the muscles on the veins, acting as real engines of the circulation of the limbs, and then be eliminated by the urine. Raising legs several times a day will improve the appearance of swollen ankles. The feet should be placed above the knees, and the latter should be placed above the hips, that is, between the feet and the hips should form an acute angle. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. The decongesting effect of flavonoids, present in some fruits and vegetables such as grapes, will be of great help. Decrease the consumption of salt, but not suspend it altogether, since the body requires it. Avoid too tight clothing, as this can hinder circulation. Avoid bathing with very hot water,